Menteri Rangba ke Jalan Meghalaya konrad kongkal sangma ulapan pau bekening Shillong International Film Festival. Kereta ngejing sedang jong senjam ku bakrau ban kentiu ke sab jong ki Samla. Da ke bakedau ke sorkar ke dibentau gila di okam yo jam leng ba ke sab jong kinong syok shnong. Ka kenun menteri ke menjur ban shnai ke film city ban penlong ya ke Shillong kum ke shlem jong ka jakashna film ha ke than jtelam ini. Ban kumjuk kan sengru ke film institute ban aji kai ke bapaka kenang ban amdan kam syok ban walam breu na syabar. Menteri Rangba ula ban rabru baga Meghalaya kalong kejela ke bening konge bandan la kejong ke OTT platform ban peneso ikinong shna film ki video bat ki documentary bat ke perthai. Dia turu ba kumbalai pesan hado sopo klur tengkal adap sam syakinyo hajar ngut inong tem leng ba ke Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program bat ke sarkar ke temuru ban shna ke stadium ke ban pediang hado sopo hajar ngut ki brio ban malam ki ban ki bahaya kum ke Def Leppard bat Scorpions. Hagawai pat kaliang Menteri Ketenat Information and Public Relations bak Ketenat Putih Putih ubalak ban remboi. Ula kentui ki Samla ban syem kene kalat ke bag sarkar kelapli. Da ke baong babenta ke sarkar kelapli kelenti ya berok Ketenat na do kato screenplay hado ke kamshna film. Long bagi Samla kim dai show ban uat bak kim don lat ban penbit penbiang ngeladi. Nada ke baik ke film kelak ban kamai kendai sebab sam kulai keluar tengka ulong bagi Samla kelak ban senyang syakatong jong jelawan poi sya kayo kakot kebakot $10 billion. Kani ke Shillong International Film Festival kan penlong ya workshop bagi Jingkyrmen shna film lengkot ki balai sengi lenter. Ban kentiau bat penbit penbiang ya ki kena bat ki Samla ke jela.
The region of the Northeast, like we're doing with football. Why are we making a 40,000-seater largest football stadium in the country, a dedicated football stadium in the country, the largest one here in Shillong? It's not about the fact that we expect that many tournaments and football matches will happen. Well, we do hope it does happen. It will take some time. But it's the message we're giving to the country and to the world that Meghalaya has arrived. That Meghalaya is going to lead the way when it comes to soccer. And that's the same message that we're giving, that Meghalaya will lead the way when it comes to the film industry also, and the entire creative sector. I hope some of you are coming today for the Def Leppard concert. Next month we have the Scorpions concert. And many artists coming as we move along. It's not about one particular show. It's not about one festival that a lot of people tend to criticize sometimes about our government. We're missing the big picture if we just look at one show or one program and say, what is this the government is doing? You have to understand that there's a larger message in everything that we're trying to do. I do hope that in the coming days, again, this is a part of our program and our plan, is to also have a film institute. Because we strongly feel that if we want to develop that ecosystem that we're trying to do out here, to provide that opportunity of being a leader in the creative sector, then it is important that we are able to scientifically approach the process. The people who are doing things out here today are sheer raw talent. They have built up everything on their own. Nobody has guided them and helped them. And yes, when I say that, I do expect a round of applause for them. Let's give a round of applause for them.
First Shillong International Film Festival is being organized by DIPR, and this is very much in line with our target to promote the creative economy and the creative sector, which will of course add overall value, focus on the strengths that our youth, talented youth have, and at the same time contribute to the overall growth of the economy. And therefore the overall platform and ecosystem for that is required. So apart from many other activities that we're doing, this particular activity is a part of the larger goal and larger narrative that we're trying to create. And I'm very happy to see the kind of response that we have received. Many people and filmmakers from different parts have come. It's a humble beginning, but we do hope that in the days and the years to come, that this film festival will grow bigger and bigger in the future. Apart from the film policy that we have come out recently, apart from the OTT platform and this film festival that we're having, we are also ensuring that we're taking steps towards creating solid infrastructure in terms of having film industry where we have private sector that has shown interest in doing so. It is still at a very, very nascent stage, so it will take some time, but we have started our groundwork. We hope that we'll be able to initiate it soon. And also we're very, very keen to see a film institute come up also. We feel again it's a very integral part of the overall ecosystem. But again, these are very big projects, very large projects, projects that require a lot of thought, a lot of talent, and also a lot of financial commitment. And so we have to see how we'll move forward. But then everything starts with a thought, with a dream, with a vision, and we have that desire to see that both these projects should come up in the future.